Hello everyone, this is Ms. Phillips and thank you for joining me for your writing workshop lesson. Today is Monday, November 9th, 2020. The materials you will need for today's lesson are your pencil, your writing journal, your feedback from your partner, and don't forget about your draft. If you don't have these materials, go ahead and pause the video to collect these supplies, then come back and press play. Okay, now that you're back, let's go over our objectives for today. Our objectives are: I will review how to present ideas appropriately in a letter. We will recognize how to improve sentence structure by deleting unnecessary ideas. And then you will improve sentence structures and continue revising, incorporating feedback, and deleting or adding ideas. Writers, you have been drafting and started revising a formal letter. Last Friday, you worked along with a partner and received feedback on your letter. In this lesson, you will incorporate the feedback and revise to improve sentence structures. Remember our revising checklist. You want to add sentences or words or phrases, such as instead of writing, "My bike is red," you might want to say, "My bike has red wheels and a red seat." This adds more interesting details and features to your text. You may want to delete unnecessary words or sentences. The blue whale is the largest, most gigantic mammal in the whole entire world. Some of this information is unnecessary, so we would minimize it by taking it out or deleting it and making the sentence, "The blue whale is the largest mammal in the world." We can rearrange sentences or words as writers. So instead of writing, "The school bus takes to school the students," we would change the order of the words or rearrange the words by saying that the school bus takes students to school. You can also use your revising checklist to remember to substitute words or sentences for better ones. Instead of saying "pizza is good," you can use a more vibrant word or more vibrant words such as "pizza is chewy and tangy." That really gives you a visual or a feeling about that pizza, instead of just writing a boring word like "good." Another way to revise is to combine ideas for varied or clearer sentences. Drinking water is good for you. Water helps your body manage waste. You could actually combine these ideas to say that drinking water is good for you because it helps your body manage waste. In this case, the writer combined the ideas and made a clearer sentence instead of two separate sentences. When I write a formal letter, I want to present my ideas in the best way possible. Since I don't know the person whom I'm writing to, my sentences should be clear and concise. I know the person is busy and I don't want to waste time with unnecessary details, so I should ask for information directly. For example, in the writer's model we have seen, the writer asks, "Would you please send me any materials you have about the conditions along the trail?" This is a simple, direct request. If I remove the first three words from the sentence, and the sentence only stated, send information to me. Sorry guys, send information me any materials that you have about the conditions along the trail. This sentence would become more of a command instead of a request. It may sound rude to the reader. If I added a clause to the end of the sentence, such as, "If you have time and don't mind responding to me, a fifth grader," I might complicate my request with unnecessary information. Listen to how it sounds in full. "Would you please send information to me with any materials that you have about the conditions along the trail? If you have time and don't mind responding to me, a fifth grader." It's complicated and unnecessary information to add, so we don't want to do that. Look at these sentences. Before revision, Here, for number 1, we have read an amazing, thrilling book titled Along the Santa Fe Trail by Marion Russell about her fantastic experiences. It sounds like a great sentence. However, we could revise this sentence by removing some unnecessary details. Words such as amazing and thrilling are unnecessary. We have read a book about Marion Russell's experiences called Along the Santa Fe Trail. Removing that information really helped this sentence get to the point. In addition to asking for maps, drawn in great detail and magnificent firsthand accounts, as I said before, our class would like to know answers to other important questions and well-researched questions. Okay, if we remove, as I said before, because it's unnecessary, it actually helps our sentence flow better. And there's some more information we can remove as well. So whenever we revise and we remove some unnecessary details, we minimize the sentence, but we also get to the point. In addition, our class would like to know answers to the following questions. That seems precise and to the point. Do not forget that when you're revising, you can remove extra ideas and unnecessary details. Now it's going to be your turn. Look at this worksheet here. When we're finished here, you're going to complete this worksheet by deleting ideas and improving these sentences here on the page. Then after completing the Writer's Notebook page 4.8, you're going to continue to revise your draft by using your feedback from your partner from the previous lesson and improve sentence structure by removing or adding ideas in your own letter. You will need to upload your completed sentences from Writer's Notebook page 4.8 and also your revised draft as well. Have a great day.